A drop of water. Once, a man was traveling alone through the desert. The sun was burning hot, the wind carried dust, and his lips were dry from thirst. After walking for a long time, he finally found a small container of water. He drank some and felt a little relief. When only a small amount of water was left, he thought to himself, "I must keep this last bit for later, it may save my life." As he was resting, suddenly a dog appeared. The poor animal was panting heavily, its tongue hanging out, and it was clearly suffering from extreme thirst. The man looked at the dog and for a moment he felt torn. He thought, "If I give this water to the dog, what will I have left for myself? Maybe I will die of thirst." But then, his heart softened. He remembered that kindness is one of the greatest values in Islam. He thought, "This creature also feels pain, just like I do. How can I watch it suffer and still hold on to my water?" So, the man poured the last drops of water into his hands and let the dog drink. The dog licked the water eagerly until it was refreshed and calm. The man smiled with relief, even though he had no water left for himself. Later, the Prophet Muhammad told us about this story and said, "Allah forgave that man for his act of kindness." This short story carries a great lesson. Mercy is not only for humans, but also for animals and all of Allah's creation. A simple good deed, no matter how small, like giving water to a thirsty animal, can open the doors of Allah's mercy and forgiveness. So never underestimate even the smallest act of kindness. It could be the reason Allah blesses you in this life and forgives you in the hereafter. Subscribe for more short Islamic story.